Describe a film you watched or describe a film that impressed you a lot. You should say when and where you watched it, what was the movie about, why you chose to watch it, how you felt about it, and explain why it made you think a lot.
Sample answer 1.
I adore indulging in movies during my leisure hours as it provides unparalleled entertainment. Typically, I gravitate towards comedy films to unwind and uplift my spirits. Today, I'd like to discuss the film 3 Idiots, which debuted a few years back. I vividly recall catching this flick with my father at the Orbit Multiplex Theatre. Amir Khan took on the lead role, alongside the talented actress Kareena Kapoor. Khan happens to be my favorite actor, which made the viewing experience even more enjoyable. The storyline revolves around 3 college buddies, namely Amir Khan and his co-stars R. Madhavan and Sharman Joshi, who engage in a myriad of antics during their academic journey. Despite their lack of academic focus, they exhibit remarkable creativity and embark on various inventions during their college escapades, ultimately propelling them toward success in prominent companies. Beyond its comedic elements, the movie also offers educational and motivational undertones, which piqued my interest and prompted my decision to watch it. Given its theme centered on friendship, I eagerly anticipate rewatching it with my friends, perhaps via popular OTT platforms like Disney Hotstar or Amazon Prime. Despite having viewed it only once thus far, I'm eager to revisit its charm and relive the camaraderie it portrays. Furthermore, it's worth noting that 3 Idiots has garnered numerous accolades, further attesting to its widespread acclaim. While I'm familiar with the storyline, I believe the experience will be enriched by sharing it with my friends. I'm certain it will be a delightful and memorable viewing experience.
Sample answer 2.
Well, indulging in movies ranks among my favorite pastimes to entertain myself. While I've explored various genres like romance, comedy, action, and more, I'd like to delve into a particular film that left a profound impact on me: 3 Idiots. I first watched this film 2 years ago, celebrating my successful matriculation, and found myself captivated by its narrative. The movie revolves around 3 friends navigating college life. Despite their individual aspirations, societal pressures coerce them into pursuing engineering. However, faced with failure after 4 years, they eventually chart their own paths to success. 3 Idiots delivers a powerful message: true success stems from pursuing one's passions. I was drawn to this film partly due to the presence of renowned actor Amir Khan, whom I greatly admire. Upon viewing, I found myself deeply motivated and elated. The film resolved my uncertainties regarding career choices, echoing the societal realities many students face. It prompted introspection, as I too grappled with selecting a suitable academic path. Ultimately, 3 Idiots stands as a cinematic masterpiece that left an enduring imprint on my psyche.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. All right, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.